shadow, moving silently in the darkness of night. When it approaches, its eyes shine, and its footsteps are as silent as death. It is the most powerful hunter in the forest, the tiger. Today we will step into the unknown world of tigers with you. If you are ready, a legendary journey begins. Tigers are the largest members of the cat family. In the wild, they can weigh up to 200 to 300 kilograms on average. The largest species, the Siberian tiger, can grow up to 3 meters long. Tigers live alone and are very serious about defending their territory. Each tiger claims an area of approximately 20 to 100 square kilometers. They are more active at night because hunting in the dark is part of their nature. Tigers are true masters of the hunt. Deer, wild boars, buffalo, and sometimes monkeys are on their menu. They stalk their prey silently, approach quietly, and strike suddenly. Their jaws are so powerful that they can snap a prey's neck with a single bite. A tiger can eat up to 30 kilograms of meat in one sitting. However, they are not successful in every hunt. Only 1 or 2 out of 10 attempts are successful.
Tigers are spread across the Asian continent, from India to Siberia, from the forests of Indonesia to southern China. There are various species. Bengal tiger in India, Pang. Siberian tiger in eastern Russia, Sumatran tiger in Indonesia. Unfortunately, some species, such as the Caspian tiger, are now extinct. Tigers can survive not only in forests, but also in swamps and mountainous regions.
Tigers are not only powerful but also very intelligent. They calculate the direction of the wind when tracking their prey and stay away from humans. They also have excellent memories. They track water sources, hunting routes, and the tracks of other tigers without forgetting them. Many studies show that tigers' problem-solving abilities rival those of some primate species.
Male tigers are generally larger and more muscular. Females take care of the cubs. A female tiger gives birth to 2 to 4 cubs and protects and trains them for 2 years. Cubs are born blind and can only recognize their mother's scent. They begin hunting their first prey after 1 year of age. The mother tiger patiently teaches her cubs how to hunt and track prey. Every tiger that survives in the wild is a testament to a mother's success. Tigers are one of the most endangered big cats in the world today. The destruction of their natural habitats, illegal hunting, and animal trafficking have seriously reduced the tiger population. It is estimated that there are only about 4,000 wild tigers left in the world today. However, there is still hope. Conservation projects are working to increase the tiger population, and every conscious person can make a difference in this fight. Tigers are one of the most endangered big cats in the world today. The destruction of their natural habitats, illegal hunting, and animal trafficking have seriously reduced the tiger population. It is estimated that there are only about 4,000 wild tigers left in the world today. However, there is still hope. Conservation projects are working to increase the tiger population, and every conscious person can make a difference in this fight.
Tigers represent not only power and beauty, but also demonstrate how delicate the balance of nature is. Their presence is a sign that the forests are healthy. It is our responsibility to learn about these fascinating predators and pass that knowledge on to future generations. If you listen to the voice of nature, Uvaloni, in its easy to afel, you verily saws, in adventions to go one lonely before. If you listen to it, did not despite, and even now your favorite to listen. In a fair you're inside of lonely before. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. This documentary is a small window for you, but nature itself is a universe. See you in the next video. May wildlife be with you.